we explore the world of grilled cuisine in this video. Explore 5 unique grilling styles from around the world. Now, let's dive into the list. Number 1. Korea, Gogi-Gui. Korea is famous for its traditional BBQ called Gogi-Gui. In Korean BBQ, grills are built into the tables, and food is cooked over hot charcoal. The grills are designed to let fat drain away safely and prevent meat from falling through. It is so delicious that you can try grilled meat with banchan. Number 2. Japan, Yakitori. Yakitori BBQ is a Japanese tradition of grilling skewered foods over charcoal. It uses a rectangular grill called konro, made from metal or ceramic. The secret to Japanese grilling is binchoten, a premium charcoal that burns for a long time and produces little smoke. Number 3. Brazil, Churrasco. Churrasco grilling uses large chunks of meat on sword-like skewers, slow cooked over a churrasqueira. The meat is seasoned with coarse salt called sal grosso and often served with chimichurri sauce. Number 4. India, tandoor. One standout feature of Indian cuisine is the tandoori style. A tandoor oven looks like a tall, hollow drum with hot coals at the bottom. Food is quickly cooked on long metal skewers inside the clay oven, giving it a unique flavor from the clay and the burning charcoal. Number 5. Thailand, Mookatha. Mookatha is a unique grilling and hot pot experience in Thailand. Mookatha pot features a dome-shaped grill for barbecuing meats, surrounded by a moat for cooking vegetables and noodles and soup. If you love grilled meat and hot pot, you should try this experience. Which grilling technique would you like to try? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more content. See you in the next video.